Okay, welcome back and thank you for tuning in. We have a Union 5-pin Euro cylinder that J.j.80 sent to me a couple of days ago. I've been working on it on and off a few times, and I was just about to throw it out the window in despair before I put it in the vise once more and tried it out, and I actually got it picked. So it is possible, and I thought we'd try that one more time. And the problem I had was the floppiness of the core. Check that out. So if I put the tension wrench in there and check this out, it's crazy floppy. And not only in that direction, it's in and out as well, and in this direction. So it flops around like a boat on the ocean. But I managed to pick it when I pushed the core back inside the lock body, like that. If I try to set a pin, the core comes out, but I have to counter that with pushing the core back in with my finger, and that adds to the difficulty in picking this lock. Well, it's a 5-pin, and JJ pinned it up himself, so let's go. I think I screwed something up. Everything is mushy. Or perhaps not. It's kind of awkward working in this position. I had to push the core as well as tensioning the core and manipulating the pins. So it's a three-dimensional problem. Pin 1 does not want to come. Overset number 3. So let's start over. There we go. Number 3 is set. Number 2 I think is set. Number 1 clicked twice. I think it's set. Number 5. Five is set. 4 is set. So I dropped something. Could be number 5 that dropped. Yeah, 5. See, number 1 is set. Have some serious counter rotation on number 5. Okay, there we go. We got it open, and it was number 5 holding us up. And JJ, I don't know what you have put inside of this. I got all kind of weird feedback, crunching and screeching, and I don't know. Let's find out. Just a tip for future lock designing: don't forget the C-clip in the back, because it makes it makes it easier to pick. Anyway, let's gut it. In the back we have a spool. It's a homemade foil spool. In number 4 we have the same, but upside down. Or this one is upside down. Number 3 we have a spool. Seems like a commercial spool. Number 2 we have another one of those mushroom type spools. It's homemade. And number 1 we have, it's an ass pin. I hate those. Okay, we have in the core, in the bottom we have in chamber 1 some sort of filed serrated Christmas tree like pin. We have a mushroom, a standard, yeah, another one of those, and in the 5th position in the core we have another of those pins. That's in the core, okay. And the core itself is, as we can see, we have threading in 1, 4 and 5, and in 2 and 3 we have some counter milling. It's a serration. So that's what we got in this Union lock from J.j.80, and let's see if we can get a better picture of that one. There we go. Some nastiness. Thank you J.j.80 for the lock. It's been a challenge in more than one way, I think. So until next time, see ya.